Before anything else, let me introduce myself. I am Philip Ayan Imbong. I will be your speaker for this session. And just a quick background about myself. I am 24 years old, a computer engineer, and I'm also a system engineer. I am also an ESL teacher. I am also a freelance graphics and video editor. And I am also an associate marketing director and a financial educator here in IMG. So today, I am going to teach you on what are the concepts that I know here in IMG na hindi nyo pa na-encounter siguro sa school niyo po or sa trabaho po ninyo, hindi na ituro sa inyo is because this is exclusively tinuturo sa IMG. So let's start. So what is IMG or who are we or who we are? Okay, so sino ba kami? Ano bang IMG? So IMG is International Marketing Group. So we are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services companies in the Philippines. And we assist people who want to help themselves achieve financial freedom through financial education and building a proper financial foundation. Okay, and also IMG have already established partnerships with the biggest companies in the financial industry as financial brokerage. All right, so it means to say that CIMGI is a financial brokerage company. All right, and the IMG established partnerships with the biggest companies. All right, so it's a one-stop shop. So our main office is in ninth floor Kings Court Building, First Gino Rosas Avenue in Makati City. So that's our main office, and our branch offices are in IMG World Center, IMG Cebu, IMG Davao, CDO, Cagayan de Oro, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, and in Europe. Okay, so we have a campaign. Our global campaign is financial education. So it means to say we are teaching financial literacy. All right, and our goal is to have 30 million by the year 2030 financially educated families. All right, and as of now sa tracker natin, so we are already 3 million. So hindi ito updated. So we are already 3 million plus sa ating tracker ngayon. So kung nakikita nyo po dito, pwede kayong mag-register sa campaign namin. So just ask the person who invited you kung paano ka makasali dito sa 30 million. So we have here, click here to register your campaign. All right? So we have lots of financial centers worldwide. So kung nakikita nyo dito, di lang sa Pilipinas ang IMG, but we are worldwide. So we have in Paris, Belgium, Barcelona, Singapore, Hong Kong, and of course sa ating Makati office, Cebu office, and sa Davao office. So we have also this book. Ito yung pinopromote namin ngayon. So this book is what we call The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So one of the authors of this book is si Brother Bo Sanchez. So sabi ng librong ito, financial education is not just for the wealthy but it is for everyone. Ibig sabihin po, hindi lang po pang mayaman ang pag-invest at pag-uusap sa pera. Lahat ng tao ay involved, right? Kasi lahat naman tayo ay may kakayanan mag-ipon, di ba? Lahat tayo ay may pwedeng gumastos, di ba? At dapat alam natin kung saan natin ilagay yung pera natin. So para po ito sa lahat. That's why we are giving free seminars for everybody. Okay, so free ebook po ito. So you should contact the person who invited you to have this amazing ebook. All right? So now, our talk for this afternoon is entitled Building Your Future, Taking Control of Your Money. So have you asked yourself, sa ilang taon mo ng pagtatrabaho, is money controlling you or do you control your money? So in this financial foundation educational webinar, we are going to learn how to control our money by building our future. So this is a global campaign for financial literacy. So with this financial foundation education program, you will learn how to make money work better for you, find and save more money, understand investments and build wealth, protect and preserve your money, and that's why you can become your own money manager and you can learn also the habits of successful people, the habits of controlling your money. All right? So now, ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo ang pag-build ng strong financial foundation. So strong financial foundation is like building a house, okay? So you must build it from the ground up. So para tayo nagbi-build ng bahay, 'di ba? Pag nagbi-build tayo ng bahay, meron tayong tinatawag na blueprint, 'di ba? Because our blueprint is our plan. Plano na dapat natin ifa-follow para strong yung foundation ng bahay natin. So anytime, hindi siya magigiba kahit anong emergency. So ano dapat ang uunahin natin? So ano dapat yung priority natin? So ito po yung tamang pagbibuild ng strong financial foundation. First is uunahin talaga natin dapat yung proper healthcare, right? So healthcare dapat yung una. we must have a proper healthcare first. Bakit healthcare ba ang pinaka-importante? Kasi alam nyo, ang alam nyo, ang number one of personal bankruptcy is the medical expenses, di ba? So alam nyo dito sa Pilipinas, based on statistics, maraming Pilipino ang namamatay di dahil ay kulang tayo ng doktor, kulang tayo ng pasilidad o ospital. Maraming namamatay dahil walang pambayad, walang pera, di ba? Kasi hindi pinaghandaan yung health natin. And that's why healthcare is very important. And when we are talking about healthcare, di dapat tayo nagkatipende lang sa ating gobyerno, di ba? Kaya nga ganyan ang nangyari kasi um, nakadepende lang tayo sa gobyerno, di ba? So, gaya ng PhilHealth, di ba? So, alam niyo naman yung issue na ngayon sa PhilHealth, di ba? Nagkawala-wala na kanilang funds, di ba? Nagkautang-utang pa sila, di ba? Sa Red Cross, sa mga private hospitals, di ba? So, kung nakadepende ka lang sa PhilHealth, there will be a possibility na kukulangin talaga kasi limited lang yung resources ng ating gobyerno. 'Di ba? Ang hirap pag hindi mapaghandaan yung healthcare. Karamihan sa atin nababankrupt lang dahil sa kakulangan ng paghanda sa healthcare natin. Kahit mayaman ka pa, 'di ba? So ito dapat yung first step or base in building your strong financial foundation. Alright? So dapat meron tayong healthcare. So we should take control of our healthcare kasi lalong-lalo ngayon na habang wala ka pang sakit, 'di ba? Kumuha ka na po ng healthcare kasi lahat naman tayo dito sa mundo ay nagkakasakit, 'di ba? Kung wala kang healthcare, of course, mauubos talaga yung pera mo. Ang hirap kasi pag wala kang healthcare, madadamay din yung pamilya mo. 'Di ba? Yung anak mo, 'di ba? Lalo na sa retirement mo. Kasi during our retirement, diyan lalabas yung mga sakit natin, 'di ba? Kung di mo naplanuhan yung healthcare mo habang wala ka pang sakit, your retirement, pwede ka maging mapabigat sa pamilya mo. That is why healthcare must be your first number one priority. Kaya nga sinasabi natin na health is wealth. Ang kalusugan natin ang kayamanan natin. Kasi we need to take care of our health and we should have healthcare. Alright? So that's the first one, proper healthcare. Now, the next priority, the second priority is the life protection. So ano ba itong life protection? We are talking here about life insurance. Bakit tayo kumuha ng life insurance? Alam niyo ba sa USA or sa Amerika, required silang kumuha ng healthcare at life insurance doon. That means to say, insured halos ang mga tao doon. At you know, ang USA is one of the is belong in the first world country, 'di ba? So at mayroon silang healthcare at insurance, 'di ba? So what more tayo dito sa Pilipinas na third world country, 'di ba? Pero pag pero dito sa Pilipinas kasi pag pinag-usapan yung life insurance, sasabihan ka lang na malakas pa ako eh, healthy pa ako, bakit ako kukuha niyan, 'di ba? So hindi pa ako mahina, 'di ba? So yan talaga ang mostly ang sasabihin din sa akin na gastos lang 'yan, 'di ba? So yan talaga ang hirap, 'di ba? So kung naisip niyo lang ang kahalagahan ng life insurance, kasi ang buhay naman natin ay kakaikli lang, whether you like it or not. Life is too short, di ba? So kung wala kang life insurance, paano mo maprotektahan yung family mo? If you really love your family, you should protect them, di ba? So, the life insurance is the one who will take care of your family, okay, when someone will happen to you. 'Di ba? Kasi bibigyan sila ng instant money in the event na may mangyayari sa'yo. That's why kumuha tayo ng life insurance para sa pamilya natin, hindi para sa ating sarili. Para di mahihirapan yung family mo pag mawala ka na sa mundo. Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw ay breadwinner. So di dapat tayo magiging allergic sa word na insurance kasi napaka-importante nito. Okay? So next, we have debt management. So ano ba itong debt? Ito ay utang. So paano natin mamamanage yung mga utang natin? Kasi kadalasan sa atin, hilig talaga sa utang, lalo-lalo na kung merong sale, di ba? Alright? So, okay lang mangungutang. Pero depende yan kung bakit ka nangungutang, di ba? So that is why there is what we call good debt and bad debt. So when we say good debt, ito ay mangungutang ka na may bumabalik sa iyo na pera. Ibig sabihin, mag-loan ka ng sasakyan or cellphone para pang business mo naman. So that means to say it's okay kasi income generating po siya. May bumabalik sa iyo na pera, di ba? Pero kung mangungutang ka ng cellphone or mangungutang ka ng sasakyan para pang forma lang, para makisabay lang sa trend ngayon, makisabay sa uso ngayon, di ba? So that means to say walang bumabalik na pera kasi hindi mo siya ginamit for business, di ba? So lugi ka, di ba? So let's say naka-credit card yun, di ba? So yun, meron ka pang babayaran na interest rate, di ba? So yun, luging-lugi ka. So gaya ng credit card, kukuha ng credit card, di ba? So lugi ka rin yan, di ba? So, yan po ang problema. So, bakit ba kailangan natin i-manage yung debt natin? Okay? Kasi, para itong disease, kakalat at magiging komplikado na aabot sa panahon na mahihirapan na tayo mabayaran yung mga utang natin, di ba? So, yan talaga dapat ang iisipin nyo, okay, bago kayo mangungutang. So, masarap sa feeling pag wala na tayong utang, di ba? Kasi our goal here is to be rich and not to look rich, alright? Okay? So, now, next is having an emergency fund. Okay. Um, ano ba itong emergency fund? So ito po ay pwede mong ma-withdraw anytime, kaya tinatawag siyang emergency fund. Kasi gagamitin mo ito in case of emergency. Let's say nawalan ka ba ng trabaho, biglang nagka-lockdown, nagbagyo, di ba? Lumindol. So it is important to have this. Usually this is 3 to 4 times of our salary, whether you put it in your ATM, in your bank account, or in your savings wallet. So for you to prepared in any emergencies, all right? So, let's say I have 20,000 per month, okay? So at least meron akong equivalent of 3 months for my emergency fund. So 20,000 times 3 is equal to 60,000, di ba? At least meron akong 60,000 para sa aking emergency fund. Let's whether you put it in your bank or in your savings wallet, so that depends on you. Okay? So that in case of emergency, meron kayong makukuha at magagamit na pera, and that would be coming from your emergency fund. Okay? Reminder lang po, ang emergency fund ay hindi po ito basta-basta igagastos mo lang sa kahit anong bagay. Okay? Kasi baka gagamitin mo ito kung pupunta ka ng mall at may makita kang sale at kasi wala kang ibang pera, baka gagamitin mo yung emergency fund. No, right? So, gagamitin mo lang yan for emergency purposes only para din hindi magamit yung mga investments mo. Alright? So that is your emergency fund. Now, ito na po yung last, okay? So, this is the time that you will build now your investment or savings. Okay? This would be the last one. Kung sa bahay mo ito na po yung bubong mo. Right? Kasi karamihan sa atin, pag may pera na, diretso agad sa investment, di ba? Join tayo dito, ah, ang pera na sinisave mo, gastos mo sa capital, pero wala ka din mang healthcare, life protection, di ba? So, yan talaga ang kadalasan sa atin, di ba? So, investment agad, okay? Ang iba din dito, diretso agad sa invest sa bahay, di ba? Patayo ng bahay, bili ng sasakyan, bili ng motor, bili ng lupa, di ba? Patayo ng business. Invest agad sa mga bagay, pero wala silang healthcare, wala silang life protection. At ang napakasaklap diyan, merong pa silang utang, 'di ba? So ngayon, um, do you think it will last long? Right? So kung ganyan ang mangyari, do you think it will last long? Kasi kung marami ka ng savings, malaki na yung investment mo, pero wala ka din namang life protection, di ba? Wala ka din namang proper healthcare, di ba? Emergency fund. Of course, dyan ka magkukuha ng panggastos mo sa hospital sa investments mo. Alright? So wala pa rin. Di ba? Erase pa rin, di ba? So importante talaga, unahin talaga dapat natin ang proper healthcare and life protection kasi susunod lang talaga yung income mo or sa investments mo. Okay? So yan talaga, paghandaan dapat talaga natin yung health natin, right? So of course, dapat din marunong din tayo magpadami ng cash flow natin kasi marami tayong kinukunan na income para sa proper healthcare at life protection natin. Alright? Alright, so that's it. So that is how you build your strong financial foundation. Alright, now this time, how do we create our plan? So we have this X curve that we can see here in our screen. So I'm so lucky to know this S curve here in IMG kasi di ko ito alam dati. Dito ko lang nalaman sa IMG na meron palang ganito. So when we say this X curve is showing us how to take care of our health. Right? So kung nakikita nyo ito, red line, ito po yung tinatawag natin nga responsibility line. Right? And itong blue line, ito ay tinatawag natin nga money line. Right? So while you are still young, wala pa tayong masyadong savings at pera, di ba? Kumakayod pa tayo sa buhay. At of course, napakalaki na responsibility natin sa buhay, di ba? So ang goal natin pag tumanda tayo, tumataas na dapat yung pera natin, dapat. So habang tumatanda ka, dapat tumataas na din yung ipon mo. Alright? So lumalaki na yung mga assets mo. Kasi habang tumatanda ka, right? Kasi habang tumatanda ka, ah of course, marami ka na responsibility sa buhay, di ba? Of course, whether you like it or not. So ano ba itong mga responsibility natin sa buhay? So ito yung mga daily needs natin gaya ng pagkain, damit, di ba? Um, Bahay natin, di ba? Education, health. and mga utang natin, debts and loans, di ba? So, saan ka kumukuha ng pang-provide dyan? Of course, coming from your active income. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mong magtrabaho para may pera ka. Diba? Of course, wala kang trabaho. Of course, wala ka ding pera. Kaya nga, tinatawag siyang active. Diba? So, ngayon, ah of course, kaya mo pa yan, di ba? So, kailangan mo ng effort at time mo para magkapera ka. Of course, kaya mo pa yan kasi bata ka pa. Paano kung matanda ka na? Let's say 65 years old ka na or 70 years old ka na. Kaya mo pa ba yung active income? Of course, hindi na. Di ba? Dapat passive income ka na. Dapat pera na dapat yung magtatrabaho para sa'yo. Kasi during this time, kahit matanda ka na, meron ka pa rin responsibilidad sa buhay, 'di ba? Of course, same pa rin. Kain ka pa rin, bahay mo, 'di ba? Paano lang yung bills mo sa bahay, 'di ba? Kuryente, tubig, 'di ba? Damit mo, education kung meron kang pinagpaaral na apo or anak mo, 'di ba? Health, of course. And of course, you should be debt-free already during these years. All right? So, of course, we are more on focusing here on the health, right? So, ito yung palaking responsibility mo sa buhay, yung kalusugan mo. Okay? Kasi habang tumatanda tayo, diyan na lumalabas halos ng mga sakit natin, di ba? So, and of course, in the word life, may if sa gitna, di ba? So, ano ba yung if? So, ano yung if? Dalawa lang kasi mangyayari sa buhay natin. What if we die too soon or what if we live too long? Ngayon, tatanungin kita, problema ba kung mamatay tayo maaga? Of course, syempre problema pag hindi ka prepared, right? So, kasi paano na lang yung family mo? Ang babata ng anak mo, di ba? Yung asawa mo. Let's say, ikaw yung breadwinner at kukunin ka na ni Lord, 'di ba? Problema talaga 'yun. So magugutom sila, mababaon sa utang, 'di ba? Makapaghinto pa yung mga anak mo sa pag-aaral. Pero pag may life insurance ka, life insurance will protect your family kasi the life insurance is the income replacement. Ibig sabihin, yung income na binibigay mo every month, bibigyan sa ng instant money yung family mo coming from the insurance coverage. That is why protektado yung family mo pag may insurance ka. Lalo na ngayon, pandemic, 'di ba? Madaming nangyari, bagyo, lindol, COVID-19, tapos wala kang insurance, 'di ba? Naisip po ba 'yun? Tapos labas ng bahay mo, tapos wala ka din namang life insurance. Paano na lang yung family mo, 'di ba? Second if is, what if you live too long? Problema ba 'yun? Kung tatanda ka? Siyempre, hindi paghanda ka din, di ba? Pag prepared ka sa retirement mo. Pag hindi ka prepared sa retirement mo, anong mangyari? Of course, kahit saan ka na lang ilalagay, di ba? Alright? So, dapat meron kang investment, di ba? Kasi sa pagtanda mo, dapat protektado na yung sarili mo, kasama yung asawa mo. Di ba? Kasi hindi mo pwedeng iasa mo sa anak mo yung retirement mo. Bakit ba? Do you guarantee na yung anak nyo ay kayo pa rin yung priority nila kahit may pamilya na sila? Siyempre, hindi na, di ba? Kaya wag masyadong magkampante sa mga anak nyo. Right? You need to be financially independent. You need to take control of your own money. Right? So, habang bata ka pa ngayon, habang kumikita ka pa, ngayon, may income ka pa, set aside ka na. Kasi may active income ka pa eh, di ba? Hindi ka pa retired, energetic ka pa, di ba? So, set aside ka ng pera para sa investments. And from there, yung investment mo, yun na yung magtatrabaho para sa iyo. So, that's what we call living on interest, LOI. Kaya wala, yun. So, kahit wala kang trabaho, yung tubo ng pera bumabalik sa iyo through interest sa investments mo, yan na yung bubuhay sa iyo. Alright? So, ngayon, how do we make money work for us? How do we have this passive income? So, we have this what we call rule of 72, the power of compounding interest, and it was discovered by Albert Einstein. So, it is when we say rule of 72 is just dividing the number 72 by the interest rate of your savings or investments that will give the estimated number of years it will take for your money to double. So, ibig sabihin, para malaman nyo kung ilang years pa tutubo yung pera mo sa investments mo or sa savings mo, you just divide it with the number 72. Alright? For example, let us say I open a savings account in the bank, let's say BDO, the biggest bank in the Philippines. And then I put 10,000 pesos in BDO. And BDO will only give me 0.25%. But for calculation purposes, let's make it bigger. Let's make it by 1%. So of course, since 1% yung interest rate dyan, dito, so of course, it's very clear, after 72 years pa doble yung pera mo. Di ba? So ang tanong, buhay ka pa ba niyan? Of course, di mo na makikita madodoble yung pera mo unless you live too long. That's why kung i-check mo yung tubo ng pera mo sa bangko, ang liit lang, di ba? Minsan hindi pa tumutubo, di ba? So mas malaki pa yung withholding tax na 20%. Tapos meron pang 6% na inflation rate, di ba? So imagine mas malaki pa yung inflation kaysa sa tubo ng pera mo. That is why it is not advisable to put our money in the bank. All right, now, pero kung sasabihan ka sa bangko na lagay mo lang yung pera dyan sa bangko, bigyan kita ng 4%. Of course, kasi pwede yan. Ano ba yung 4%? So ito po ay time deposit, right? So of course, since it is already 4%, your money will already double every 18 years na. Alright? So yan na po ang kanyang years, 18 years. Alright? So ngayon, at the age of 60, okay, so let's say I put 100,000 pesos at the age of 29. So every 18 years, dumodoble na yung pera ko. So at the age of 65, magiging 400,000 ang pera ko dito. So bibigyan ako ng 400,000 at the age of 65. Sa tingin niyo, magiging happy ako niyan? Bibigyan ako ng 400,000 at the age of 65. Malaki na ba yung 400,000? Of course, maliit pa yan. Maliit na yan siya at the age of 65, of course. Kasi ang mahal na ng bigas niyan, di ba? Ang liit na ng value ng 400,000 at the age of 65 kasi grabe na yung inflation nangyari dito. Alright? So, dapat ating ilagay yung pera natin sa mas malaki pa sa inflation rate. Ngayon, nung naglagay ako ng 100,000, do you think nakatago lang po yan sa vault ng bangko? Of course, hindi ginamit nila, nilagay nila sa 8%, right? Kasi may alam silang mas malaki pang interest rate ng paglalagyan ng mga pera ng depositor. At dumodoble yung pera nyo dito na every 9 years na. So kung nakita nyo dito, after at the age of 65, magiging 1.6 million na po yung pera nyo dito nung bangko na ang gumamit. So binalik sa bangko yung 400,000 sa iyo. So at ang naiwan sa kanila is 1.2 million pesos. So yun na yung income ng bangko. So that will be used for operational expenses, expansions, putting other branches, at ang iba pa niyan, ini-invest pa yan sa bangko sa mas malaki pang interest. So, kasi may alam silang 12%, di ba? May alam sa 12%. So, yung pera nyo, ang bilis lang lumaki nung bangko na ang gumamit. So, at the age of 65, nagiging 6.4 million na pesos na po yung pera nyo dito sa bangko, nung bangko na ang gumamit. That's why, of course, bangko lang ang may alam nito, di ba? So, at ang mga rich people, that's why the rich gets richer while the poor gets poorer, right? So, this illustration sa isang depositor lang po ito. Alright? What more kung tayo na pong lahat, di ba? So, napakalaking income ng bangko. So, ngayon, saan ba itong 12%? So, tingnan niyo muna itong deposit interest rate history natin dito. So, ngayon, during 1984, as you can see here, napakalaki ng interest rate during this year kasi ito ay during Marcos era. So okay lang kung ilagay mo sa bangko yung pera mo during this time. Okay? Kasi napakalaking interest rate. Pero ngayon, this 2021, kung ilagay mo yung pera mo during this year, of course, lugi-lugi ka kasi magkano lang yung interest rate, di ba? 0.25, di ba? At ngayon, 0.125 na lang, di ba? But I'm not against with the bank because bank is good for my business, for my transactions. It's okay. But when it comes to investment, of course, maling-mali pag ilagay mo siya sa bangko kasi lugi ka, di ba? So meron pa mga charges, di ba? So yan pa lang, lugi na ka, di ba? So ngayon, um, saan ba dapat talaga natin ilagay yung pera natin? Saan ba dapat? So is it in the bank or sa mutual funds? So, okay, ikaw ito, investor, at ikaw ay naghahanap kung saan ka mag-invest. Alright, so kung sa bangko ka maglagay ng pera as a depositor, of course, you are opening a savings account, di ba? So the money that we save in the bank, di natin alam that the bank invested it in government securities, di ba? Commercial papers, alright, stock and equities, retail loans, and real estate. Alright? So, and they can gain 12% with that, di ba? At tayo depositor, bibigyan lang po tayo ng 0.25%. Wherein sa ngayon, nagiging 0.125% na lang po siya. Di ba? So, grabe pong inflation kung sa bangko ka po magsisave, di ba? So, ngayon, um, kung sa mutual funds ka din naman magsisave, of course, you will be called as a shareholder, right? So same din, dyan din siya naka-invest sa government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, retail loans, and real estate. But the good thing here is that if they can earn 12%, you can earn 12% too, right? So same lang, kung ano ang makukuha niya, yan din ang makukuha mo, 'di ba? So kung tatanungin kita saan maganda mag-invest, of course sa mutual funds, 'di ba? So ngayon, paano ba pinaikot ng pera natin dito sa mutual funds? Ano bang workflow ng mutual fund? So this is you, investor, and then you are an investor, of course. So what you invest in the mutual funds will be placed in the fund house dito po. So the fund house will be the one to appoint a fund manager. Okay, siya po ang mag-a-appoint, hindi po ikaw. Alright? So, si fund manager na po ang mag-i-invest sa securities like stock, bond, and gold, and etc. And that is our blue chip company. So, siya na po mag-i-invest. Siya na po magpalaro ng pera natin dito sa mga blue chip companies, hindi ikaw. Alright? So, wala kang gagawin dito. You just invest your money and just wait for your money to grow. Right? So, that's the workflow of the mutual funds. Of course, so our blue chip companies here, these companies. We have Meralco, BDO, Jollibee Foods Corporation, Pure Gold, BPI, Ayala Land, right? Mega World, GMA, right? So 7-Eleven. So as you can see, merong ABS-CBN at alam naman natin na wala lang pong ABS-CBN. Always remember, hindi lang po sa isang company naka-invest yung pera natin dito sa mutual fund. But it is being pulled by the fund manager. So wala po tayong ipag-alala. Alright? So the money that will generate here, it will return and pass back to us investors. So yan po ang workflow ng mutual fund. Ngayon, how much can you save to achieve your goals? Right? So how much? So let's say 1,000 per month ang makakaya mong masisave kada buwan, di ba? So kung sa bangko mo lang yan siya ilagay sa time deposit, so sa time deposit meron kang 4% interest, di ba? So after 30 years, meron kang 694,050 pesos. Pero kung sa mutual funds mo siya ilagay, meron kang interest rate at 12%, di ba? So after 30 years, magiging almost 3.1 million na po siya. 'Di ba? So, ang laki ng difference kung sa fund mo siya nilagay, 'di ba? So, what if you can save more than 1,000 per month? Let's say you can save 5,000 per month. So, if you save it in mutual funds, of course, after 10 years, magiging milyonaryo ka na po, 'di ba? So, yan po ang difference ng mutual funds at sa bank ka magsisave, right? So, ngayon, ngayon, paano ba tapat talaga tayo makapag-invest? Okay? So, meron tayong tinatawag na pay yourself first. Bayaran nyo muna yung sarili nyo. Kasi minsan sa atin, pag matanggap na natin yung sahod natin, saan ba binabayad? Padala agad sa magulang, bayad sa kuryente, tubig. Pero sino yung napapagod? Sino yung nasa-stress? Di ba ikaw? So, dapat bayaran nyo muna yung sarili nyo. So, that is why we have this what we call abundance formula. So nasa librong ito and isa sa nagturo nito ay si Brother Bo Sanchez. So galing sa libro niya The Abundance Formula. Sinasabi dito na once ma-receive mo yung pera mo, 10% of it is tithes. Of course, you should give first to the Lord before yourself. Okay? And it is also biblical. Right? For God loves a cheerful giver. Of course, so responsibility din natin sa buhay na magbigay sa Panginoon. Right? So the more you give, of course, the more you receive, right? More blessings, di ba? So, tapos dyan ka na magsisave, right? So, 20% of your income is for your savings. Set aside ka niyan. Pay yourself first, okay? Mag-save ka talaga for your investment and para din sa future purposes mo. Saka ka na gumastos. So, 70%, ang naiwan na 70% dyan sa income mo, yan na po yung expenses mo at lifestyle mo. So, budget mo na lang yan, paano mo ma-fit yung 70% sa mga expenses mo. Alright? So, why do we have this formula? Bakit hindi expenses una? Kasi alam nyo, ang expenses natin ay hindi talaga yan mawawala, di ba? Kasi lahat ng galaw natin ay kailangan ng pera, di ba? So, kung unahin nyo ang expenses, of course, wala talaga tayong savings, walang mangyari na savings kasi ah ah, kada galaw natin meron talagang expenses, 'di ba? So dapat unahin muna natin ang savings. Pay yourself first bago ka mag-spend ng money. All right? So that's it. Ngayon, all right. So ngayon, tapos na po tayo sa pera. Ngayon balik tayo sa healthcare. So, ano po yung insurance na meron sa atin ngayon aside sa PhilHealth? Okay? Kasi halos ng Pilipino kasi nakaasa lang po sa PhilHealth, di ba? So, alam naman natin na grabe yung corruption nangyari sa PhilHealth at kaya nga marami na silang utang, di ba? So, kaya importante malalaman natin bakit kailangan tayo magkaroon ng long-term care. So, what is the best healthcare? So, HMO is Health Maintenance Organization. So, if you have already have an HMO today because of your company, so of course, that is what we call short-term healthcare yan. Okay, so because short-term healthcare is your benefit as an employee. right? And short-term healthcare renewal, ang renewal yan is yearly, right? And yearly din ang i-increase yung premium niya. So kung nalaman pa din ng insurance company na palagi ka nagkasakit din, baka i-cancel pa nila yung policy mo, di ba? So ano ba itong mga short-term healthcare? So ito pong Insular Healthcare, we have Intellicare, FWD, AXA, we have Sun Life, we have Manulife, di ba? So Coco Life, di ba? So yan po sila ang mga short-term healthcare. Pero yan po ay you are benefited here during your employment and productive years lang po. So what if hindi ka na po productive, di ba? So what if wala ka na po sa company mo? Of course, wala ka na ding healthcare. Kaya nga, importante magkaroon tayo ng long-term care plan kasi that is your benefit starting from your age now until you get old. So kahit wala ka na sa company mo at hindi ka na able mag-work, hindi ka na productive, you still be benefited by this long-term care plan. At si Kaiser lang po ang merong long-term care plan. Always remember, ang Kaiser, ang long-term care plan, ang long-term healthcare ay hindi nag-increase yung ng premium. It means to say, fixed po yung premium niya. And you will only just pay here for 7 years. Okay, 7 years ka lang po magbabayad dito. And that is only from Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. Okay? So tingnan niyo po ito sa picture dito sa baba. Saan niyo po gusto ma-admit? Sa executive, sa payware, o sa charity? So of course, kung wala kang healthcare, of course, sa charity ka talaga malalagay at malalabas pa na meron kang COVID-19, TB, kasi pati sa sahig merong mga pasyente. Di ba? So yan ang napakahirap doon. Alright, so na ngayon, tatanungin na naman kita, who can help you build your solid financial foundation? Is it letter A, financial services, or C, letter B, ING, membership benefits? Let's say, si financial services ang pipiliin mo kasi yan lang ang alam mo, di ba? So let's say si financial services. Okay, so always remember sa ating traditional industry ngayon, kung ikaw ay gusto mag-invest, alright, sa mga financial companies natin, alright, always remember hindi ka maka-invest direct sa kanila and you need a broker or agent para po makapag-invest ka sa kanila. Alright? So ngayon, kung yan ang mangyari, always remember, meron talaga yung entry fee or management fee na babayaran nyo, di ba? And always remember, meron ka pa yung babayaran na tax, di ba? Up to 20% tax returns, okay? And of course, since nandyan si broker or agent, of course, babayaran nyo sila. That's why they will earn commissions from any products that you buy from these financial companies, right? Kung gusto nyo ba ba yan? Alright, so of course, hindi, di ba? So, sino, how about IMG? Ano ba nasa IMG? Of course, if you choose IMG to help you build your solid financial foundation, of course, you already bypass the middleman. You already bypass the agent or broker. Kasi you yourself is a broker or agent already. Kasi si IMG ay you are given the direct access already to these financial companies, right? So you don't need anyone anymore, right? And you can that means to say you can already enjoy the discounts from these financial companies that you buy. And that's why you can become your own money manager. All right? So that is the ING. So ngayon tatanungin kita, who can help you build your solid financial foundation? Is it the financial services or is si IMG membership benefits? Of course, si IMG talaga, di ba? Kasi direct na, di ba? So saan ka pa, di ba? So ngayon, ano bang makukuha ko kung ako ay isang member ng IMG? Ano bang mga benefits na makukuha ko kung ikaw ay isang IMG member? So these are the benefits. So the first one, the first benefit that we have here is you can have the free ebook of this financial education, which is the secret to saving and building your future. So ito na book ay dinidiscuss na natin ngayon. So benefit number one pa lang, meron ka na ngayon kasi ito ang dinidiscuss natin ngayon. So some of the pages and chapters of this book ay dinidiscuss na natin ngayon. Okay? So that's why you can have this free ebook if you will be a member of ING. And of course, exclusive benefit number two, you can have a free ebook of this financial workbook. So ano bang nasa loob ng workbook na ito? Of course, workshops, right? So free financial workshops. And with that, you can get it for free. Walang bayad, di ba? So ano bang malalaman mo dito sa mga workshops? Of course, you will learn here how to increase your cash flow. You will learn here how to manage your debt, utang, how to build your strong financial foundation, how to protect yourself, how to build your wealth, how to accumulate your assets, how to plan your retirement, how to preserve your wealth, and how to build a business in the financial industry. So yan po lahat matutunan mo dito sa ating financial workbook and it is just for free, of course. And that is from your exclusive benefit number 3 to 7. Now let's go with exclusive benefit number 8. Of course, here in IMG, you will have a free financial checkup kasi napaka-importante nito. Kasi kahit ilang years mo ng pagtatrabaho, kahit wala kang savings, 'di ba? So, makapagtaka ka, 'di ba? So, bakit gano'n, 'di ba? So, here in this free financial checkup benefit of IMG, you will know that you're not in control of your finances already, or maybe you are just approaching it with a wrong mindset. That's why you cannot save, 'di ba? So, this financial checkup will help you figure out the source of your financial problem. So, or which mindset mo or lifestyle mo na kailangan mong baguhin para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo, right? Exclusive benefit number 9, of course, Associate Financial Planner Certification Program. So if you want to be a certified Associate Financial Planner, so in partnership with RFP, that is Registered Financial Planners of the Philippines, then you can have a discount here in IMG. Kasi kung sa labas pa ito, ang mahal, di ba? Pero kung dito ka kung ikaw ay isang IMG member, of course, you have a very big discount if you want to be a certified Associate Financial Planner, right? So that's it. So next, free gifts of IMG is this exclusive benefit number 10. Of course, you will have up to 300,000 free personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers Life kasi hindi natin alam ang accident kailan mangyari sa ating buhay at kung saan, di ba? So that's why we should always be prepared and be ready all the time. All right, so exclusive benefit number 11. So Fidelity Life Mutual Benefit Association Incorporated. So this is a micro business life insurance corporation that offers cash assistance worth 50,000 pesos with 24/7 free memorial concerts through Everest Memorial Service. All right, so dito mayroon ka lang babayaran na 500 pesos na membership fee para sa Fidelity membership fee mo. All right, so exclusive benefit number 12. All right, so you can enjoy the free eye checkup with computerized eye examination and receive a maximum of 2 pairs of IMG and Kaiser frames per year po yan with multi-coated lens. So you can purchase this at participating Didos Reyes Optical Center, Kaiser Medical Center, and Sight for Eyes branches. Okay, so yan po ang makukuha mo dito. So this is for per year, right? Per year po yan, right? Two pairs of eye frames per year. All right, next is exclusive benefit number 13. Of course, you can have this free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng members sa Kaiser Medical Center. So, yun. So, kung gusto mong magpa-consult, okay, so here in IMG, meron kang free unlimited consultation sa Kaiser Medical Center. So, si Kaiser Medical Center, meron tayo sa Makati, Cavite, Mactan, Manila, Robinson's Place Manila, Robinson's Galleria, SM Santa Rosa, SM San Pablo, SM North EDSA, SM Seaside Cebu, and SM City Cebu, and soon in Davao. So sa nakikita nyo dito, mostly nasa Robinson's at SM siya, 'di ba? Kasi partner sila. So kung meron kayong SM dyan sa lugar nyo, then soon, meron din Kaiser Medical Center dyan sa lugar nyo. Alright, so Kaiser Medical Center is also giving discount sa lahat ng members para sa medical services. That will be your exclusive benefit number 14. And for your exclusive benefit number 15, of course, your immediate family members will also have a discount on the medical services. All right, next. Exclusive benefit number 16. Of course, if you are an IMG member already, you can become an automatic mutual fund investor already. So you can get an IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund through the Automatic Mutual Fund Investor Program for new IMG members. So sa 1,000 pesos mo sa membership fee mo, that will serve as your initial capital for your mutual fund investments. All right? So this is in partnership with Wamper Financials and Soldivo Funds. And a disclaimer lang po, IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Wamper Financials, right? So these are the top 10 holdings of Soldivo. So we have SM Investments Corporation, Ayala Land, Ayala Corporation, SM Prime Holdings, BPI, BDO, ICTS, Jollibee Foods Corporation, Metro Pacific Investments Corporation, and Bloomberry Resorts Corporation. These are the top 10 holdings, all right? So next, access. Of course, if you're an IMG member, you can have already the access of Kaiser Healthcare products and services because IMG is the official distributor and official broker of Kaiser. All right, so we have the healthcare products and services of Kaiser here. We have for short-term care, long-term care, and senior care. So the first step in building your strong financial foundation is to secure your healthcare. And by this, we want you to give you the best healthcare provider, and that is Kaiser. So lahat tayo ay makabenepisyo nito from short-term care to senior care. So, and it will be explained more further sa ating webinar of Kaiser. Join po tayo mamaya 5 p.m. The webinar of Kaiser, right? So that's it. Exclusive benefit number 18. So life insurance exclusive to IMG members. So of course, you will be insured here in IMG with this most 18 and ERA. So most is multiple option super term 18 and ERA is income replacement assurance. That is from Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation. So it is a new income it is a unique yearly renewable product that gives protection by providing compensation kung ikaw ay nawalan ng income in case of hospital confinement. And of course, this benefit also includes the Everest Memorial Solution that takes care of everything related to memorial services. All right, so exclusive benefit number 19, of course, here in MG, you will also have free investment seminars. So you should take advantage of this kasi sa labas pa ito merong bayad at napakamahal, di ba? So here, libre lang po. Alright? So explore more about mutual funds, investments, and many more at 0% entry fee din. Right? So wala kang babayaran na entry fee if you are here in IMG, if you're a member of IMG. Kasi kung sa labas ka, meron kang babayaran na entry fee. Di ba? So yung 10,000 mo, meron kang babayaran na entry fee. So hindi na 10,000 yung mapapasok sa investments mo. Pero dito sa IMG, wala kang babayaran na entry fee kasi 0% forever yan siya. Right? So forever. So what are the partners company of IMG of mutual funds? We have Rubber Financials, we have Soligo Funds, we have Atram, Phil Equity, PhilAm, FAMI, Sun Life. So if you're already investors of this, di ba? So nakikita nyo mayroong mga entry fee kayong babayaran, di ba? Pero dito sa IMG, wala kang babayaran na entry fee kasi 0% entry fee forever po siya. Alright? So disclaimer up lang po, IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Rubber Financials. Alright, exclusive benefit number 20. So if you want to have a direct investment in stocks, then we have trading here. So this is my trade, right? So by Abacus Securities. So you can access to this stock online trading platform with free investments guidance, analysis, and updates. So my trade is the most advanced platform in the trading portal industry today, and they are back with a robust infrastructure. So they are very nice. It's very nice to use because it's very smooth, profitable, and you can enjoy your trading here. But advice ko lang po, kung hindi ka po knowledgeable pa sa trading, advice ko lang po na wag muna papasok dito. Kasi you need to take time to learn on this investment. So sa ngayon, wag muna. Take time to invest financial education and join investment seminars para po kayo matututo bago ka po magpasok dito sa trading para hindi ka malulugi. Alright? So exclusive benefit number 21. IMG is already partnership with Palawan Express Pera Padala and they have more than 4,000 branches and partners worldwide already, di ba? So now they already accept IMG payments ranging from your membership fee, premiums, and billing payments. So sa lahat ng Palawan branches, you can pay your IMG transactions there already without hassle and worry. Okay, exclusive benefit number 22. So of course, you can already have discounts if you want to um, insure your car, if you want to insure your travel, your building, your house, your business. If you want to insure it here in this non-life insurance companies, then you can save your money here because meron kang discounts kung ikaw ay isang IMG member. So we have our partners non-life insurance. We have Malayan Insurance, Standard Insurance, Pioneer, Mapfre, MAA, and UCPB. So those are our partners non-life insurance companies. Of course, in exclusive benefit number 23, you can also have a discounts on these real estate purchases. So we have IMG is already partnership with SMDC, Ayalalan, and the MCI. So if you want to move to a bigger house and if you want to invest a condo, then you will have a discount on this the real estate developers in the country, this biggest real estate developers in the country if you are an MG member. All right, so exclusive benefit number 24. So you can have also a special discount on this memorial loss and interment packages of Heaven of Infinity Memorial Garden. All right, of course, you will also have a discount on the special courses. We have here, if you want to talk online so that network or people will love you and buy from you. And then if you want to write a book, even though you're not a writer, and if you want to multiple your sales using the power email marketing, and if you want to grow your income through real estate, then here in IMG, you can have a discount on these courses. Alright? So yan po ang exclusive benefit number 25 to 28 natin. So let's go with exclusive benefit number 29. Of course, for the services, if you're an MG member, of course, if someone passed away, or if you are so kung kukunin ka na ni Lord, of course, nothing to worry already because we have this Everest Memorial Services. They are the provider and coordinator for your memorial services on their partner funerals na malapit sa inyo. Okay, so para itong St. Peter, libre lang po ang services nila as long as IMG member ka. Alright, so exclusive benefit number 30, APS, Asset Preservation Service. If you want to protect your assets or your property here para di mag-away-away yung anak nyo or yung mga kapatid mo in case na mawala ka sa mundo, then here APS will help you to protect your assets. Alright, so exclusive benefit number 31, IMG Auto Program, so you can get huge savings and discounts being an IMG member. So one of the members here of IMG purchased a Mitsubishi Montero, and he get a 150,000 discount of being an IMG member. Diba? So napakalaking discount kung ikaw ay isang IMG member. Alright, so here in exclusive benefit number 32, if you want to be in the financial industry, then enter the world of entrepreneurship. So here you can own a business and you can become a financial educator. And with that, you can own your time already and you will have an online system. And with that, you can help families achieve the income that you want. And of course, you will become debt free. So here you can be a part-time or full-time. That depends on you. So walang quota ito, walang pressure. So permanent yung position mo, walang demotion. So kung magsa-stop ka for 1 year and then you go back to the business, then yun, permanent yung position mo, walang demotion. And of course, you have a ownership investing rights here. So pwede mo to ipapasa sa mga anak mo. Alright, so it's transferable, di ba? So yan po napakaganda dito. And you can earn extra 20,000 to 50,000 monthly dito sa entrepreneurship program ng IMG. Alright, so with that, if you're interested in the entrepreneurship program, of course, you will also receive rewards from IMG. Of course, one of it is to travel the world. So that is your exclusive benefit number 33. So lahat ng IMG members here na nag-enter sa entrepreneurship program, then they have already tried to have this vacation, cruises, conventions sa mga countries sa ibang bansa, di ba? Like Vietnam, San Francisco, USA, Las Vegas, Italy, Thailand, Abu Dhabi, Japan, Korea, China, Dubai, Italy. Alright, so at marami pang iba. Alright, so that is one of the rewards that you can get here if you enter the world of entrepreneurship, or if you enter the business. Alright, so before we go to the next benefit, ipakilala ko muna sa inyo si Sir Dave Vallejos. Siya po ay founder ng Wise Millennials. Ito siya dati, wala pa siya ng IMG. Isang seaman po siya, nagtatrabaho sa barko. At ang kanyang nanay is isang fish vendor. So, ang hirap pagiging seaman kasi ang layo niyo sa pamilya niyo, di ba? So, kaya yun, nag-quit siya sa pagiging seaman at nag-full-time siya dito sa IMG kasama yung nanay niya. So, Senior Executive Vice Chairman na po siya ngayon sa IMG. So, nakamit na po niya yung financial freedom by building solid financial foundation. So, he traveled the world with his mom. So, just look at these pictures. Ang dami nila napuntahan, di ba? Dahil lang sa pag-build ng solid financial foundation. Alright, so kung kaya ni Sir Dave magiging financially free, of course, alam ko kayo rin. Kaya nyo rin. Alright, so I hope Sir Dave's story inspires you a lot. So let's continue. So next reward, if you enter the world of entrepreneurship, of course, IMG will give you world-class recognitions just like this elite rings, gold pins, watch, and your dream car. Of course, it will be all yours if you're taking the financial educator. And exclusive benefit number 35, you can get an exclusive free healthcare once you get promoted to marketing director, senior marketing director, and any of the executive positions. All right. And as a member of IMG, of course, you can get access to this most innovative platform for all IMG members, now available anytime and anywhere. With its user-friendly interface, everything is easier to locate and utilize starting from the dashboard, right? So, napakadali lang po niyang gamitin. Kung ikaw ay isang IMG member, kasi hindi ka mahihirapan kasi napakadali lang po yung portal natin gagamitin. Alright? So, user-friendly po siya. Alright? That is our exclusive benefit number 36. How about exclusive benefit 37? So, if you do the entrepreneurship program, of course, Dominate Tool is a very big help to you as a financial educator because this is the best digital marketing platform sa lahat ng IMG members na nag-feature sa na how efficient it is when you want to use this in your IMG business presence online. So this is a perfect marketing platform or program if you want to bring your business to all parts of the world. All right. Exclusive benefit number 38. Of course, with these new letters and emails of IMG, you will be updated. You will be reminded, sent straight to your email and on your members portal. Exclusive benefit number 39. Of course, if you do the IMG business and if you enter the entrepreneurship program, your income will be sent straight to your NeuraCash. So NeuraCash is an all new money transfer application exclusive sa lahat ng IMG members. So you can use this one if you want to pay bills, if you want to if you want to transfer funds, and if you want to, and here in this NeuraCash, you can receive your commissions easier, faster, and safer. All right, so that's for our member support. And sa lahat ng international members coded, so these are the exclusive benefits. Of course, exclusive benefit number 40, you can get this IMG Visa card, and you can use this anywhere in the world, of course. And you can join exclusive events and exclusive runs and contests anywhere of the world. And then you can have this worldwide protection. Of course, hindi lang po ito sa international coded member, but sa local din. So it means to say, sa lahat ng members ng IMG, whether you are abroad or you are in the Philippines, then you are protected by Manila Bankers Life Corporation. So we have accidental death benefit, you can have 500,000. Burial benefit, you can have 100,000. Accidental medical reimbursement benefit, you can have 100,000. Acts of terrorism, you can have 600,000. Unprovoked murder and assault, you can have 600,000. And of course, accidental disablement benefit, if kung naputulan ka ba ng kamay, ng paa, of course, you are benefited, of course. So that is our 48 benefits of you being an IMG member, di ba? So napakaraming benefits. So hindi ka talaga lugi if you're an IMG member. And of course, if you're an IMG member, of course, meron ka ding card na matatanggap that would serve as your membership card. Just like with Petron, Robinsons, SM Advantage, Starbucks, di ba? National Bookstore, meron din sila mga card, di ba? So, meron din sa mga points, di ba? So, kaya din sa IMG, meron din tayong ganyan. Alright? So, you can save a lot of pesos, a lot of money here if you are an IMG member. Okay? So, ngayon, how to start? So, become a lifetime member of IMG and talk to the person who invited you to know how. So, my recommendation to you is to invest in financial education first before anything else. Kasi if you spend it with other things, may babalik ba sa'yo? Wala, di ba? So, if you spend it with financial education first, hindi ka lang natututo, bawing-bawi ka pa sa mga benefits. Alright? So, this is our members portal online page. So, at of course, magiging business mo na din, di ba? Of course. So, meron din siyang accreditation per year kasi malulugi ang mga partners company ng IMG kung members fee lang po ang mabayaran natin kasi ang members fee natin ay one time lifetime lang po yan natin mabayaran, di ba? So, malulugi ang mga partners company ng IMG kung yan lang po ang ating babayaran. Of course, meron tayong tinatawag na accreditation fee or renewal fee per year po yan. So, it's only 1,500 pesos per year para sa ating renewal. Alright? So, that's our accreditation fee. Okay? But your membership in IMG, lifetime na po yan. Alright? One-time lifetime po yan. Alright? So, we can see in our portal, your Soldivo Fund, malalaman nyo dito kung ilang shares na po ang inulog nyo at magkano na yung pera nyo dito. Fidelity Life, alright, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, meron siyang 50,000 cash assistance, pero meron siyang 500 pesos na one-time lifetime membership fee, alright. Everest Moral Solution, alright, services, alright, and we have Manila Bankers, we have IMG Vision Care, we have NeuraCash, Kaiser, Dominate Tool if you want to do it for your business, and IMG Auto Program and Kaiser International. So you just click those button and i-redirect ka niyan doon sa mga kailangan mong gawin. Alright? So yan po ang ating members portal. And of course, sino ba mga members ng IMG? Of course, mga uniform personnel. So some of them are mga police, right? Coast Guard, sundalo, jail guard, mga bumbero. Sila nakapag-invest na yan sa mutual funds at nagkaroon na sila ng mga healthcare. Of course, sa mga nag-isip dyan ng scam sa IMG, tingnan nyo lang po ang members ng IMG. mga uniform personnel. So kung scam pa ito, matagal na po nakapusas ang mga members ng IMG. Alright, of course, teachers. Of course, meron na tayong natulungan ng mga teachers. Marami na. Kasi mostly sa kanila, merong mga utang, di ba? Baon sa utang, tsaka underpaid pa. Dito, naturuan sila magkaroon ng mutual fund accounts at tsaka healthcare at insurance. Of course, OFW and seafarers, natulungan na din sila. Mission natin is tulungan paramihin pa sila na matulungan natin sila para magkaroon na sila ng investments at makapag-retire ng umaga. Alright, and many more. Alright, so hindi lang sila, marami pang members ng IMG. Diba? So yan po. So before we end, sabi ni Bill Gates dito, founder ng Microsoft Corporation, if you born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, then it's your mistake. So even though nakikinig kayo ng maayos ngayon, you enjoy listening, marami kayong natutunan ngayon, but you did not take it, you did not take any action, so wala pa rin. You did not apply what you learned today, so wala pa rin mangyayari, di ba? So you should act now before it's too late. Okay, so thank you so much for attending. I am your financial educator, Philip and Imbong. Kindly visit my Facebook page anytime, Road to Financial Freedom, and it's my contact number and my email address. Thank you so much for listening. God bless everyone and keep safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.